So we are starting with screen pictures because the movie was, you have to watch it. That's all I have to say. Um, yeah, so in this painting, the background of the face actually glows in the dark. And then we have the main character there getting, you know, slit her everything. The scream is coming to get her. And then those are the characters from some of the past episodes of Scream. And again, you already know which one that's from. Number one, doo doo. So that's Scream. Then I went ahead on and had two of my students create these. So you have Hello Kitty and Ghostface himself in the kitchen. I'm going on to include this actually from an art contest for Goth and Glory. And just some figures and some characters. I hope you guys enjoyed Tuesday's class. I'm going to be coming back later on today, posting more videos and more content. This one glows in the dark. I actually might do a video showing that it glows in the dark, but it's actually glowing now. Recap. I love this one. These are other students' drawings. I get no credit for those. That's all my art class students. This is the one I drew. Thank you, everybody.